Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video, I wanted to share with you how to bulk edit your titles or description inside of YouTube. And this is very, very helpful and it saves a ton of time. There's actually a few different ways you can do this. One of them is for free with just the regular YouTube interface. And then there's some tools that you could use. There's VidIQ, there's TubeBuddy, but I'll share with you which one I like best out of all three of these methods. So I'm going to go to my screen real quick. And here is one of the things that I got confused on how to bulk edit was where you actually do it. So say you have a TubeBuddy or VidIQ or anything, and you're on their main website, it's not there. And then you try to go to your homepage, it's not there. But where you need to go is you need to go to your studio. So you click over here, click on YouTube Studio. And then when it says studio up here in the top left corner, then you know you're in the right spot. And then you need to click over here on content. So you need to be in the section where it shows all of your videos and content. And now you'll have the bulk editing options. So the default one that YouTube gives you, you can actually just select your videos and you can select all of them. And then you can click right here under edit. And then you can go down to just whatever you want to bulk edit. So let's say you just want to bulk edit your description. You can click that. And then you can insert text at the beginning or the end or replace or remove. So you're kind of limited there on what you can do. But let's just say you just wanted to quickly add some text at the beginning of your thing or at the end of your video, then you can do that 100% for free in the YouTube interface. So that's pretty helpful, but there's no find and replace or things like that. So it's semi-limited, but it is an option and you can do that for free right here. I find this one is pretty useful when you're editing like tags. If you want to just like add tags, like maybe you want to add your name as a tag to every video, then that's helpful because you could just click tags and add your name to every one of your videos, which is probably a good idea to do that. That's the first option, that's free. But then there's two other options. There's vidIQ, which is a paid service. And then there's TubeBuddy, which is there. I like TubeBuddy better. And keep in mind that this is coming from someone that loves vidIQ. In fact, I use vidIQ for everything on my YouTube videos, for the keywords, for finding the topics, and all those different things. And I like that tool better for that purpose. But for bulk editing, I actually did buy the TubeBuddy tool for that one purpose because it's so good. And I'll show you why. Because in TubeBuddy, they have a mass edit videos, but it's, to me, it's not any better than, I mean, I think the YouTube regular one is better than this one because if you click next and then you see all your videos here, and then this little tiny box is what you get as your option. So you can just start searching for some text in your videos. So let's just say you have text that says something like about me, and then you replace it with about us, right? Whatever you want to do, right? But here's where I don't like vidIQ is you have to click on every single video. You cannot select all. And if you have 300 videos on your channel or more, this will take forever because you have to literally go to every single page and select every video you want to edit. And it found this text in 300 videos, as you can see, 300 results. So I'd have to click 300 times if I want to mass edit all of my videos. There's no select all button. So maybe whoever knows vidIQ's owners or something, have them add a select all, because the whole purpose of a bulk editing tool is to bulk edit, right? Not to select each and every single video one by one by one, and then just have this little tiny box of text to work with. So I just don't like the vidIQ version, but again, I like vidIQ for everything else, but the bulk editor is very, very limited, okay? With TubeBuddy, here's how cool this one is. You can do a lot of different bulk stuff, but I use the find and replace text. So let me show you a real world example of how I can use this. Now you can see the boxes are way bigger as well. So you can do massive, especially if you're editing your entire about you section, you can just copy and paste the old one here and put the new default description there, and then it'll update everything. You can search in titles here and also descriptions. So we're just going to do my description for now, but you can do a find and replace for titles. So here's a real world example. In my default description, there's a section in my upload defaults where I say how many meals we have contributed to feed my starving children. And as you can see right here, it says 163,962 days worth of meals. Well, this is updated recently. It's now at 189,000. So if I wanted to edit every single video, I'd have to go in there one by one, but that would be annoying, right? So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this whole thing because I actually want to change this number too. So I'm going to copy this text. Then I'm going to go up here to find and replace. I'm going to throw this text in here and I'm going to paste it again. And this time I'm going to change the number because we're now at 2.9. And I'm going to change the number to this one right here. All right. And that's how simple it is. So it finds this text in all my videos and it replaces it with this text in the videos. And then I just click description and then I click on continue here at the bottom. And then it'll say, I want to search all my videos, and let's go ahead and click on continue. And then it's going to load up all of my videos and it's going to find the description and all the videos. And I can select all of them. And as you can see, it selected all 300 of my videos because I have that text in every video description. And now if I click continue, yes, do it. And I'll click start. And now it just starts updating the videos in the background, as you can see right there. And boom, it's doing it for me super quickly, super fast. This is a lifesaver. And if you're wondering how much this bulk editor is, if you pay for a year, it's $11.99 per month for TubeBuddy. If you do it 1 month, it's $14.99. But to me, it's very worth it because I edit that number once a month. And so it would be a pain to go through every video to edit that. And you just need the star plan. So I don't have the legend plan, I have the star plan. In fact, one of my strategies, and this is a whole different video topic, is I actually like to use a combination of these tools. Like I like to use VidIQ and TubeBuddy in conjunction. I just buy the lower level plans of both instead of the higher plans of some of the other ones. And you get the best keyword tool on the planet. And then you also have a good bulk editor and it just saves you a lot of money. So I'll have links in the description of these tools if you'd like to use them. This bulk editor is a lifesaver and it saves me so much time. So I definitely recommend it. And if you're wondering what I do online, you can always go visit my website at seekprosperity.com and learn more about how you can earn a living from home like I do. And if you have any questions whatsoever, type them in the chat. I look at all the comments and I will answer your questions. If it's not in the text, I'll do it in a dedicated video for your questions. So make it a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.